Welcome to Halloween Horror Nights.
We're a couple of kiddos.
I'm Tim.
And I'm Clarissa.
We have the Halloween Horror Nights Terror Tram.
Only in Hollywood.
Yes.
That's what we have on Orlando. We got the Terror Tram.
And this has got Nope and Us.
Yes, I'm so excited to see this. This is like something so different than anything.
Yes, it's the Backlot tour, and you get to hop off the tram.
And get spooked.
Yes, so something very new to us. We haven't ever done anything like this before.
No.
So come along for some great fun.
Yes.
Let's do it.
Wave goodbye to everybody on the load line. You will never see them again.
No, we don't die.
Which is fine. Don't look cool to me.
We literally walked straight on. There was no way. So I recommend coming later in the day because it's 50 minutes like all the other times.
Wow,
Right?
it's interesting. You might recall that back in the summer of 2016, the Universal Backlot was haunted by sudden appearances of a mysterious clown that the internet came to call Hollywood Harry. It turned out Harry was in fact a former actor named Harold Kapowitz. He hosted a children's TV show called Poodle's Carnival back in the 1950s and also served as the official mascot of the Universal Studios tour. After terrorizing the studio throughout 2016, Harry disappeared back into the Hollywood Hills and everything went quiet again. For 2 years, then in 2018, Harry kidnapped a pair of Universal Studios tour guides and forced them to participate in a demented version of his children's TV show.
Hello, boys and girls. It's your pal, Clarissa Kitto.
Despite the best efforts of the authorities, the bodies of Scott and Allison, my fellow tour guides, were never found. I was personally affected because they were supposed to be on my podcast. Once again, Harry disappeared back into the Hollywood Hills. It's been 4 years since we last heard from Harry, but I don't think he's gone for good. When we reopened the theme park, we found black balloons, Harry's calling card, and a song by the Goo Goo Dolls everywhere. And lately, there's been even more troubling signs.
Sit your feet, smell my feet, give me something good to eat. Happy Halloween, boys and girls.
Oh my gosh, that's Scott and Allison. They look better.
Halloween is my favorite time of year. Let's go, Allison. It's my favorite time of year, too. I've got a great idea. Let's have a Halloween party. Hot diggity dog. That's a swell idea. Yeah! Yeah! No! It's all ruined! I'm sorry, boys and girls. This is sad. I so wanted to have a Halloween party, but we were going to have pumpkins and ghosties and black cats and vampire bats and skeletons and candy. Now I guess I'll have to eat my candy all by myself. Who will come to my party?
Uh-oh, it looks like we've wandered into Hollywood Harry's Halloween party. I'll tell you one thing, I am not about to get off this train. I'll tell you another thing, you are. No, you'll be getting out.
Woo! This is so cool! You can see all the cars and stuff. Love it. Right? Whoa! Hey! Whoa! Bates Motel. Yes! Hey! Whoa!
Yeah.
Oh,
I love when
This is gonna be a
they
little
have
bit of
like
a-
blood things happening. They squirt like water on you.
right? Well, we got a little bit of a hike going
Wow,
on.
this hill is gonna kill me.
Yeah, so
the way
be
people
prepared
have
to
in
walk.
camp.
Yeah, be prepared to walk. Got Norman Bates. This is fun. You can see the Bates house.
It's so weird, like walking by it, then driving by it.
Right? Hi, Norman. Hello. Oh my gosh. Ooh, we get a picture option with Norman Bates. Hello. Oh.
Baby's gonna get you!
Oh, hey, oh, he's like, come along. Oh my gosh! Oh, oh, God. Oh! Kitty, kitty. Yeah. Hey, how you doing? Oh, hey, hey. Oh my gosh. Oh, this.
No candy.
Here, she's asking for candy.
I don't have any candy.
Oh no! Oh, this is
Oh my
amazing.
Being in this scene is so cool.
I know. We're gonna go to the War of the Worlds destruction scene. Oh,
I ate all the
oh, I'm sorry. Whoa. Whoa. Baseball bat, I get it. Oh, they just took this into a lot.
I can't even see you anymore!
Yeah! Ooh. Ooh, I love it. This is amazing.
That's entertainment.
Yes.
Harry, you move so fast, you run!
Love it. Whoa. Which one? Oh. Oh, this is so cool. Oh no, okay. It's like, oh, here we go.
Oh my god. Oh god. I don't want to kill him.
Yeah, hi there. Whoa. Oh my gosh. It's a clam.
Oh god, Harry's back.
Yes. Oh, kudos.
I'm like sweating profusely. I'm like so nervous.
Oh man, into. Oh. Oh, that was so fun. Holy moly. We gotta keep going. Yep. Oh, here we go. I see it off in the distance.
They're coming.
I love that we're about to walk through this.
They're cool.
Let's go to Jupiter's Flame.
It's an us mashup. It's gonna be real.
Oh god. Oh my god. I can't. God. It's so creepy.
I love it. They're coming. They're coming.
She's been murdered. Oh no. Oh my god. Oh my god.
It's so cool.
I don't like when they stop. Like now. He's coming back. Oh no, here she comes.
Whoa, no.
Sorry. Oh, the little things all just started.
Hello. Hi. Hello.
It's Happy Harry Halloween!
Yes.
My favorite holiday.
All right, let's take a picture.
Oh my
Man.
god.
Terror Tram was so cool.
Harry's Halloween party was
Yes.
a killer.
Yes.
I really liked like the first part going through Bates Motel.
Yeah.
Like when you go by, like they slice people's throats, blood was spurted on you, but it was water, not
Yes. Yeah, the Bates Motel, the little photo ops were cool.
blood. Yes. Seeing the note, like Jupiter's Claim, was awesome.
Yeah.
And the Us characters freaked me out.
I know. Be able to go through the War of the Worlds area.
Yeah, that was really cool too. Everyone kept asking me for candy and I had none. They were gonna kill me because I had no candy.
Awesome. And this was just one part of Halloween Horror Nights.
Yeah, it's an amazing part.
So
it's the best part.
If you've missed some of our other videos, make sure to check them out. We will have them ready for you guys.
Yeah, in the description below. But this was amazing.
Yes, we're gonna get back to some houses.
Yeah.
So thanks for joining us.
If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Give us a big thumbs up if you like this video. And hit the notification bell for more videos like this. And follow us at
A Couple of Kiddos.
Until next time.
Bye.